TMNMR may also be used to perform multivariate analysis, such as principal component analysis. Principal component analysis is useful to see the shape of the data and also to appreciate the different processing steps and the effect they have on your data set. Principal component analysis may be performed by selecting the statistics option from the left-hand drop-down menu and PCA. For this, all we shall need is a data set. Here we're going to look at the thin spectra for the cell, and we're looking at principal components 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and 1 to 3. Once you're happy, select Execute, and we'll be able to visualize the results. Other options you can have by PCA are to color by group, where you need to produce a factor table, and that is very similar to what we've discussed previously for the univariate analysis. We could also scale by standard deviation if we thought that this would help visualize more. The PCA results are divided into 3 sections. The first section explaining how many principal components cover 95% of the explained variance, as indicated by this red line. Then we have a principal component scores plot, whereby in this case, all of the data is grouped according to their spectra and no external grouping, as we did not input a factor template. Finally, the loadings plots allow us to see the distribution of the peaks and how they influence the spectra that we have. We may be able to export this data and look in greater detail as to the shape of the data and what that means to the downstream analysis. TMNMR is sponsored by a BBSRC grant to the University of Liverpool in collaboration with the NMR Metabolomics Facility and the Computational Biology Facility. You can reach us via Twitter, or you can access more information by TMNMR in this tutorial series.